Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port.
Alright, we here. We are here. All right. Whew. Oh, we do need to update that right quick. There we go. All right, ES back to the 05. It did work its way. We had a failed breakdown of that 67.05 level. It's back there now. See kind of what we got setting up here. Didn't really have anything marked out below this low. I guess we'll try longs again after if it reclaims that 67.05 level, because that's what we'll be looking for. We'll see what happens. Says 99 fails, we see 91, 73. We'll mark those levels out. Okay. What up? I hate weeks. Yes, not really near that low yet. Let's look for a spot maybe to jump in long here. I mean, that soup of this level down here worked really nice. I mean, it got me out of my long, and then that London level worked nice there. I'm going to go ahead and jump in here with 2 micros. And take one at 5 points there. Still just on an eval here. On an eval here, but still. Let's get some music going or something. Boom, boom, boom. see if we sweep this 800 level again. I'll kind of add into it there. All right. There's the low down there. Let's see if we just sweep that and then kind of get a little reaction out of that area. That's what I'm going to wait for and see here. Now that I'm looking at this, looks like a kind of a head and shoulders look here. Could have got short over here off like the 850 or something. I don't know if I'm not sure up is the move. I don't know. We'll find out, I guess, going into the end of the day, huh? Previously closed down there 727. Seems crazy, but that would be the gap fill. That would be the gap fill. You might want to go for that gap fill going into close. Might want to go for that gap fill. I don't know. What do you think, I Hate Weeks? Think it's going to go for that gap fill potentially? Might need to try to work my way out of this one. I don't know. Might have jumped in a little too soon. Got previous day high down there. Gap fill potential as well. You're completely out of your element. Oh, I got you. Well, I can tell you one thing. It just dumped right through the lows. Nasdaq and ES. Oh, dang it. I'm trying to move these up. I'm trying to get out of this. There's a dump sweep of the lows there. This thing might just fill the gap. It might just want to fill this gap, but let's see if we can work our way out of it. It just swept that 99 now. Need to try to squeeze out of this if we can. I was thinking about adding one more there, but I don't think it's necessary. What am I in? I'm in 3. I just noticed that. We may fill the gap here. I don't know. I wouldn't mind being short here. Looking for a gap fill into the end of day. See if we can work our way out of this. It may not let us, but see if we can't work our way out of it right quick. $727.50. I'm gonna try to work my way, get my way out of this real quick. Just gonna try to get out of this break even, and then we can look for some potential shorts. I think it'll rebalance this gap. I may take it off for a loss even. There we go, no loss. If I'm alive and well. I'm thinking we might fill the gap, but so down 80 on that account. Man, I want a short here, but it goes against my better judgment. Do we go for the gap fill here? I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm going to wait and see how ES reacts to 67.05 here. If we reclaim that, I'll get back long. If we reject that level, then I think we stay short. So if we reclaim the 05 level there, then that will be my long trigger. Just you and me? No, there's 41 people in here. They're just not chatting. How's everybody doing today? How's everybody's trading going? The trading. I'm just trying to see here because the gap fills down there at 747. Or, yeah, 747? Not fantastic. You're up. Let's go. Nice. What up, Eric? Up 588. You locked out. Yeah, excellent job, Eric. I mean, that's the way to do it. Got a 1 minute. Not quite. Didn't inverse. Maybe the 2 minute looks better. Nope. Nothing better. How do people trade from 11:30? I don't know. It's not. I mean, it does get manipulated during this time. Maxie, come on, bud. Oh my goodness, Max is going crazy. I don't know why he's barking so loud. He says long. I don't know if that's what he's saying. His barking at the air. There's nothing there. If ES reclaims that 67.05, we're going to be longing. Longing. Try to get this account back to green if we can. Have to yell at the dogs. He won't be quiet. Stop all that barking. Alexi, it is Myth, M-Y-T-H, Funded Futures Network. Myth. Apex and Funded Futures Network are the only two that are Myth. The rest are MM or MMM. MMM is Futures Desk. M&M Peanuts platform. You can use Zoe. I think you can use. I think they have Tradevate and Rhythmic, right? I think you use Quantire with them. Not quite sure. Let me look. We don't get above that 67.05. We'll be looking for shorts. Didn't mean to treat you. Usually it says, well, Quantire, Edge Pro X, Motive Wave, Ninja Trader. There you go. Yeah, Mo, that's usually a thing, right? And also the price action is not that good when you have decent overnight moves like that. All right, taking the long here. Don't love longing into the 50 EMA, but 4,000 on the card soon, maybe. Long to 860s. I mean, I think it's reasonable. 200 EMA up there, 840s. We'll see how this works. He has to reclaim 6705. I thought. Still think we might squeeze here. Let's see. Need to see ES hold that 6705. See if the ES pushes up to the back up to the 14 level. Need a little squeeze here into the 25s. Get through that 50 EMA there. Trying to push here now. Confusion. Coming up on the 3:30, so we got a new 15-minute candle here in a minute 45. So we'll see. See if the ES wants to squeeze above that. Watching the ES closely here. Yes, holding right there at the 0405 area. Might retest 800 here. Potentially. Retest of 800 here. Man, it pushed above 6705 just to kind of peak right back below again. Gonna add some here. I'm gonna see it kind of go here. Nothing wrong with that, Zabak. You can trade vicariously through me. I'm only on an eval this afternoon. Just kind of trying to work this one back to green, but hell, we might dig a bigger hole. Who knows? Yeah, it's kind of pinned to that 6705 for now. Back to the 800. See if we can bounce here. Max, what are we whining about? Come on, man. Come over here if you want pets. I'll pet you. All right, here we go, guys. I'm going to be in full size here, 6 micros. Zombie. We're in full size on this here account. We'll take 5 off just under the 50 EMA here. Yes, reclaiming that 05 now and squeezing to the moon. It's all the way up to 07. Oh, that's the moon, guys, if you didn't know. Squeezing to the moon. I'll make sure I'm on the right account over here, too. Need the squeeze here, guys. I'm long on ES, too, by the way. Long on ES, looking for 14. Long on Nasdaq over here, looking for 20, 820. Long on both. See if we can get the squeeze. Can we get the squeeze? EMA Cloud is holding ES back with a pain. I think it's going to squeeze through there, but we'll see. Maybe not. All right, here we go. Let's rip it. I'm long over here on this eval too. Stops already in at break even there. Same thing. Looking for the same level. Come on. Take one off there. So close to my take profit there. New 150K, so you like to get halfway today? Let's go. That would be nice. I like this to squeeze. Come on. Push it up. Rip it. Just need that 50 touch, at least. All right, taking me out of a couple of them there, finally. You worried if it doesn't squeeze, it'll drop? It might. Got me out of the majority of the position there. A little reaction off this 50 level is expected, right? We break through there, though, we squeeze. There we go. Should get a little squeezy. Making some money, Black Phoenix, doing what we can, trying to get this eval back to green. Doesn't necessarily mean we'll make it there, but we're trying. There we are. You got more. Come on, you want more. You want more. There we go. Approaching my take profit on ES as well. Using Mancini's levels there. What does it say right there? Must reclaim to squeeze. What happened? Reclaim, squeeze. Simple as that. Go ahead and move my stop up on that one because I'm not going to allow that one to be up 4 or 5 points here and not get any profit. So I'm going to lock in at least $100, I think. That was your target? Yeah. There we go. There we go. You should have stayed there. Should have stayed in it. Kind of want to move my stop up here a little bit. Come on, rip it through the 14s here on the ES. Get it up there. Take us home. I am a little late on the entry on the ES there, but I did want to make sure that it reclaimed nicely because it was kind of chopping at the 05. So I did wait for one extra candle to close above there. I'm going to stop sitting in profit here, but I want this hold up. Should start to squeeze here, I would think. Cold shoulder. Close it. 50 EMA and the 9 EMA are mashed together right there at the 20. Come on. There we go. Push it. Rip it. Five minutes until the murder bite, by the way. Just full port it, Tom? Tom, I'm long 1 micro. That's full port enough, right? I'm trying to trade like Tom Sabo with 1 micro. You know? 1 micro. What do you think, Tom? Come on. I'm moving this back. I'm moving it to the break even. We got the new 15-minute candle coming up in 20 seconds. See if it can pump it. It might can. It might can pump it here. Squeeze it. Squeeze. 1 micro is good enough. See, that's full port, Tom. It's full port. Tom, I'm also long over here on the ES. I'm long both. And then we're long here with 2 minis. Let's go. We don't mess around, Tom. All right, I'm out of the 2 mini one. I hope soon, Tom. I'm waiting on that. I'm waiting on a conversation with the bigwigs. Waiting on a conversation with the bigwigs here. I thought it was going to happen last week, but it did not happen. So hopefully in the next day or two. DGen style, that's right. Murder bot in 4 minutes. Can we get the 200 EMA touch? What do you think, Tom? Can we do it? Can we do it, Tom? Tom, what's the guarantee? 838? Is that your guarantee? We should do a dirty Tom Sabo guarantee, huh? We should make one like 838 or Tom Sabo shits in his bed. He pulls an Amber Heard. He pulls an Amber Heard in the bed. What do you guys think? That would be perfect. He has to post a picture on his social media. That's the kind of stuff we're going to be talking about, Tom. Black Phoenix said, ew. Amber Turd. Exactly. He's going to pull an Amber Turd. Oh. Tom said, oh no. If we're going to be talking about stuff like that, I got to be out of here. Come on. Squeeze it. Get up there. Stop messing around. All right, I'm going to get out of this trade. I'm going to take that one. But we'll hold the ES one here. Three ticks. Let's go. Ding, 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 ding. Come again tomorrow. Thank you very much. Thank you. Come again. There's the 200 EMA. And we fought back to green on that account. Let's go. Back to that London low. I mean, here's the thing, guys. If ES can get above 67.18, we moonshot here. We moonshot. Nice job at Heat Weeks. I should be going for halfways too, but man, it will be interesting if we got enough. Do we have enough juice into the end of the day to make it? Oh, these. Well, no, these aren't. Those aren't equal. Let me see what they look like on the actual Nasdaq. Nope. There might be. Are there equal highs? No, they're not quite equal. All right. So no equal highs there. But 870 looks like it could be a sweep going into close. 35 more points up. Let's see. I took the low-hanging fruit there. I just got out early. I saw green on the P&L and said, let's take it. A lot of volume on that last red candle. Yeah, for it not to go anywhere. You know what I mean? Usually that means that it's going to push. Get through this 200 here. All right, here's the murder bite, guys. 7 seconds. I think we get a blast up, a wick up. There it is. I predict the future, guys. I'm telling you, I predict the futures. We're like, doot, 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 doot. And then we predict the future. I mean, not much. Just a little bit. Back above initial balance low here. I think we squeeze into that 70 level. Look at all the wicks up here. A lot of wicks. A lot of wicks up there at the 70. Now you're up 5K instead of 4,500. That's all right. That's a happy accident. I hate weeks. You can lose that if need to. You can lose that. I might go half or smash tomorrow on a take profit trader 150K. Might go half or smash. We'll see. I don't know. ES at the VWAP here. Unable to get above there right now. Yeah, that's true. Just don't forget about it. I hate weeks. Otherwise, you're going to make an extra 5. All right, now we're pulling back. ES has got to get above that 18 level there for this to squeeze. Above 18, ES squeezes into that 30, but this could be a little turn down spot here. We'll see. All right, I think I'm going to get long here over here on this eval, even though I just got it back to break even. I think I'm going to take the long if we pop back above the 200, but so far not doing it. It will be very, very risky. I mean, we have rejected off this level, what? 1, 2, 3. This will be the fourth time. I think we pushed through it this time. Sell limit 896. Yeah, if we get there. I don't know if we get that high. That would be a good spot, though, on truck. Unable to push above there. Rejecting off the VWAP for the ES, or for the ES there. Man, does it push back down here? What do we do? Even though I think the draw is up, I'm going to take a little short here. I'm going to look for the run back into the 15. Let's see. Stop at the local high there. Usually the 55 and the 50 kind of go against each other. So kind of going off that. Again, 55 candle in 45 seconds. Just looking for a little push lower here. I mean, I could get stopped out here just easy. I do think the draw is a bit higher. But usually the 50 and the 55 kind of go opposite of each other. Usually. It gives me a little room here. We might go break even before the algo candle. Stop me out. I protected myself though, because if it didn't go right away, that was kind of a weak 55 to be honest. That was kind of a weak 55. Back above the 200, I'll stab in there again long. We'll stab back in there, back above the 200 EMA there at the 38.40 level. Kind of a cheap long here, isn't it? Might long back into that. I don't know. It's a tricky spot here. Could kind of go either way. Really kind of a tricky spot here. My instinct was kind of like short there, but I do think the liquidity rests higher. Kind of watching the 5-minute candle here. If it can turn green, I think I'll take the long. All right, I'm going to take the long here. Of course, as soon as I get long, it turns back red. But I'm going to try a little long here. And I'm not going to risk a ton. I'll target. I'm going to go stop to break even at the body of the candles here. So right here will be the stop to break even. Alexander, it's on an eval. So on a 90% off eval, feeling a little gambly. And plus, I know the future, Alexander. I know the future. The future is we're going to end up at 848 by the close of the day. That's the future, Alexander. I got my time machine. Wait a second. Yeah, I went into the future, and I know now where we're going. I know where the perfect placement of my stop is, and I know where I need to take profit. So, since I know those things, I'm good. Jokes, of course, but, you know. But if you see me fly by your house in the DeLorean, ask no questions. Just know what's going on. Ask 0 questions. Why you asking all these questions? We might average into this in the last minute for 2 points at a time. There's the squeeze. Here is the final minute. Alexander, here's the final minute, Alexander. Remember what I said, Alexander. Remember what I said. Ask ChatGPT, yeah. I'm going to leave the stop down here. Kind of rejected off the 37. I wanted it to get above there and squeeze a little bit, but it did not. Yet. There we go. Remember what we said, Alexander. Remember what we said. Don't make us a liar. Here comes the air out of the balloon. There's the air. The air was let out. Squeeze it. Oh, I can't even lock it in, guys. Bulenox freezes for like a minute. I can't even lock it in. I can't even lock it in. It freezes. Give you a blast long. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Stop just dropped. Locking in the 10 points effectively. I'm telling you, Methodical Man has been to the future. All right, Black Phoenix. No reason to move his stop. I don't know why he's being an idiot moving his stop. It's gonna hit. He's been to the future. He's been there. Open another 150. Come on, I hate weeks. You're crazy. Good job. He's been to the future. It's gonna hit 848.25. Put all your money in there. Let's go. Just kidding. Don't do that shit. I'm just waiting on my profits to start raining down on my head. That's all I'm doing here. Waiting on the profits to just start raining down. Oh no, don't stop me out. Come on. Be a nice girl. Be a nice girl. You know you wanna. Don't make Methodical Man out to be a liar. He said he's been to the future. Really safest place for the stop is break even down here. That is the safest place for the stop. Got a 5-minute order block there, so wouldn't be shocked if it pulled back into the 34, 35 area, but let's see if it can squeeze first. Can it squeeze first? Give me 10 more points. End of the day with some decent green on this evaluation after being down on it. Richie Aprile is moving against me. Oh, man. Oh, man. She just came back and stopped us out. That's all right. I mean, to test this 5-minute OB is really normal. Pull back, test it, and then go. That's what I saw when I was in the future. It said it's going to test the OB and then go, but, you know. Mordecai's. Mordecai's. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. All right, so let's run through the P&L here, guys. We don't hide anything from you guys. Up 25.92 on that account. All right, let's take the always on top off. Let's check Bulenox. We're up $188. Funded account, we're up $500, $52,300 there. The evaluation, we are up $175. Nice. So all green there. Well, how did you do on the funded accounts today, Methodical? How did we do? Let me show you. We finished up $191 across the board there. We also up $50, I think, on the what was that account up? Where's that account at? Oh, it is on here. The $50 on our Take Profit Trader Pro account. We went 4 for 4. That fourth one was pretty tough. We almost had to take the loss on it, but we were green $40 or $50. Most people that made 4K payouts today would have been out. Yeah, come on, man. Go touch grass. Don't give it back. But that's going to do it for me. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Remember, guys, 91% off Bulenox. Use code MM. That's going to end tomorrow. 80% off Apex. Code MYTH, M-Y-T-H. $85 activation fee will also end tomorrow. Sorry, I had to have a drink here. You know, if you can limit your profit in DX feed somewhere. I don't know, Alexi. I'm not sure. My Funded Futures, buy one, get one, 25% off, code MM. Let's look here. Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fee, code MM. Trade Day, 30% off, no activation fee. Tradeify, 40% off, no activation fee, ends today. Day Traders, 90% off, code MM on all of those. Funded Futures Network, buy one, get one, 50% off, code MYTH, M-Y-T-H. Elite, Legends, Funding Ticks, Lucid, Prop Shop, all code MM. Futures Desk, 70% off, code MMM. You could long here. I mean, again, I don't hate it, but it's at the end of the day here. We are in a 5-minute OB. It is testing the middle of it here, so I mean, wouldn't be shocked for it to push back up. But I'll be back. I won't be back tonight because we got a baseball game, but I will be back tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. to crush it again with you guys. Just to come back, just to crush it one more time. So that being said, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert.